Hello, I'm Helmet Face. You might recognize me from the Natalie Show, Episode 1. If you haven't seen it yet, click here. If you want to subscribe, click here. Or somewhere up at the top, because I have no idea. If you want to leave a comment down below, I guess. Yes. See how many times you can spot me in the video. Goodbye.
Hey all, my name is niamf, and today we're gonna be looking at trees. That one's face is falling off. Let's help him. Are you okay, tree? Yes, I'm alright. Oh no!
Whoa, this is an ugly tree. Look at its feet.
It's dead! It's dead! You know what? We're gonna give you some colored trousers to get you back with the style! Oh my God! His face is falling off completely! I'm gonna go to the face store and get some faces. Stop following me! Leave me alone! Okay, never mind. I'll just borrow someone's face. Sid, I'm gonna borrow your face. He'll be alright. He's got the colored trousers. There we go. Doesn't he look fabulous? Oh my gosh! Many of the trees are losing their faces. Please help us to save these trees from their faceless faces. Just call 745-1809 something. Please give us some leaves and some paper, and we will give you our souls. No, not really, but we'll give you videos. True story. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at that. What's up with that? It's like a tree. Where's it a foot? I don't know. It's just... This is just so messed up. It's a crime against nature. But that doesn't mean I'm gonna treat him any different. So, yeah. This is me looking at trees. And a bush tree. I don't know, whatever. Oh my gosh. Nine. Okay, let's look for some more trees. Sorry about that. But here's what we call a fence bush, okay? It's like a bush fence. It's a metal bush fence. Okay, it's a metal bush fence. I know, very interesting. Which brings me to about that. It's just, you know, I hit that tree last time. He attacked me. And this isn't a tree, but it could have been. It could have been a tree if it weren't stabbed with metal and carved fat. And this one seems to be recovering from a hangover. Its arms are falling off. This wouldn't have happened if he had a face and he could see what he was drinking. So yes, those are the trees up the end. Oh my God, it's a Willy Wonka car! This is the type of car that they use in the Willy Wonka film. No, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. The new one, not the old one. Which brings us back to the tree bush. This was once a tree. According to a cheese string packet I ate once. This chewing gum was a tree once. And now it's not. Well, it was 3 bars. It wasn't actually a tree, but it was 3 bars. Which is close enough to a tree. This is a bush. We don't want to look at bush. Bushes. This has been. What has this been? Oh yes. This has been. Seriously, what has this been? I forgot the name. This has been Okay, no. This has been looking at nature with niamf. Thank you, director. Bye.
Thank you for watching. This has been Looking at Nature with niamf. Comment how many times you have seen me, Helmet Face, down below in the comments. The winner will get a shout out in the next video, which will be here when it comes out. Probably on the Natalie Show. Thanks for watching. I can recycle this face, okay? Always recycle faces you have put on trees. Bye! For now,